Let's talk about animals now. Do you like animals? Oh yeah, no, I love animals. I've always loved animals. We had pets when I was a kid. I had a dog and then later a cat, and now I have a cat. Um, and yeah, I've always loved them, and not just domesticated animals either, but all animals, wild animals, and even insects and spiders, and which are not insects, they're arachnids, and all sorts of creatures, great and small, and cute and ugly, and just I think they're fascinating and incredible. Do you have any animals in your home as a pet? Yeah, I do. I have a cat. She's quite old. She's about how old? I don't know how old she is. She's like 15, and she's really sweet. And she is a rescue. She was rescued, and she seems to appreciate it. She's very sweet and affectionate. She really enjoys. She's a big fan of food. She's a foodie, and she loves pets and having company and playing. She still plays like a little kitten. And would you like to have more pets in the future? Oh yeah, like ideally, if I could, I'd have I'd have a menagerie. I would just have so many animals. I'd love to have. I've never had a mouse or a rabbit or even a herbivore. I've only had like dogs and cats. So I'd love to see what it's like to take care of them and what they're like, and I'd love to get to know a whole range of animals and um anything that likes being a pet. I don't know about birds actually because they don't seem to enjoy captivity, which is understandable. They clearly want to fly and be free. So I'm not sure about birds, but as long as I am able to make an animal happy, I would like to make it happy. And that's my aim.